The word ain't. You won't find it in a dictionary. It ain't here. So, is it a word? Well, sort of. It's a contraction. But what's a contraction? A contraction is when two words are put together, often with an apostrophe, like it's or what's. Ain't is a really versatile contraction because it can mean more than one thing. It can mean, I'm not, I ain't happy. Is not, she ain't thirsty. Are not, they ain't talking. Have not, I ain't got any money. And has not, he ain't been a good boy recently. In English-speaking countries, you can hear ain't every day. It's everywhere. For example, it's in a lot of music. Ain't That a Shame by Fats Domino, 1956. It Ain't Me Babe by Bob Dylan, 1964. Love Ain't No Stranger by Whitesnake, 1984. Say It Ain't So by Weezer, 1994. That's a very good song. If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys from 2003. And more recently, I Ain't Worried by One Republic from 2022. That's from the film Top Gun Maverick. And you can hear ain't as part of these popular English expressions. Ain't that the truth? Which means, yes, you're right about that. You ain't seen nothing yet. Which means, this was good, but later, it will be even better. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Which means, don't change it. Don't change anything, because it's fine, it's working. And you ain't seen me, right? Which means, shh, don't tell anybody I was here. So if ain't is so popular, why ain't it in the dictionary? For some reason, ain't considered standard English. Instead, ain't is slang or informal English, and it's usually only used in speaking in informal conversations. Or sometimes ain't is used for emphasis in the phrase adjective, it ain't, to really stress that something is not something. For example, a double cheeseburger with extra bacon and cheese. Healthy, it ain't. Another interesting way ain't is used is as part of a double negative. Ain't is already negative, so adding no after makes it a double negative, which means something is not something, so it is that thing, right? But it's not used like that. A double negative is used to really emphasize that something is not something. And to me, there ain't no sense in that, but it's very commonly used. Here are some song titles with ain't as a double negative. Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers from 1971. Should be, Isn't Any Sunshine. Ain't No Mountain High Enough by Marvin Gaye and Tammy Terrell from 1967. Should be, Isn't Any Mountain High Enough. And Ain't Got No Haters by Ice Cube from 2018. Should be, Haven't Got Any Haters. Maybe it's just my familiarity with these songs, or maybe it's the lack of emphasis, but when you correct the double negative, it doesn't have the same feel. So should you use ain't? Yes, absolutely. It's alive, and it's part of the English language. So it ain't a problem to use it. Just be careful you don't use it in academic or formal writing or in really formal speaking situations like job interviews, because formal, it ain't. And if you want more business English tips, communication skills tips, there ain't nothing stopping you subscribing here to the 4 Words channel or checking out the 4 Words website. Thanks a lot. Well, I ain't got nothing else to do now. I guess I'll edit the video.